Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, March 18, 2022. The markets finished strong yesterday, closing up at the highs of the week ahead of today's options expiration day. So I figured what we'd look at this morning is what has happened historically when you finish at the highs of the week ahead of options expiration day. So let me get this set up. I've got all four instruments selected here. The setup's based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now we are trading lower in the overnight session, so I'm going to go ahead and add that to the test. Opening filters, gap direction, gap down. Next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library, and I'm going to say that yesterday closed at a 5-day closing high. So I can grab that from the active today. If I go down to new highs, that first option, day after 5-day high close. With this being a Friday, that means we're at the high of the week and we're actually above the prior week close as well. So I've got that added. Next thing I want to do is go down to market events and say that today is options expiration day. So again, active today is the quickest place to grab that from. Active today, the second option there, options expiration day, that comes from our market events. And if you scroll down, you can see it. And that's all I'm going to add here. I'm not going to use the indicator like I normally do just because I want to keep as many samples as possible. So I'm just going to go straight to view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. When it's options expiration day, the prior day closed at the high of the week, at a 5-day closing high, that is, and you are gapping down on the morning of options expiration day. So historically, 28 samples here in the S&P, 29 in the NASDAQ, 30 in the Dow, 30 in the Russell. Win rates on these a little bit weak here for the S&P coming in. 43% of these have closed above the open. NASDAQ a little bit weaker, 41%. Dow is neutral at 50. Russell pretty neutral as well, 53%. If we look at the average moves, the average losses here are larger in the S&P compared to the average win. That's also true for the NASDAQ. That's true for the Dow. And then the Russell is pretty similar in size. So historically speaking, the win rates on these, at least for the S&P and NASDAQ, are a bit weak. The others are neutral, but all or 3 out of the 4 of them have had larger average moves to the downside compared to the average moves to the upside. So it has historically been a little bit more of a bearish scenario on this options expiration day. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.